So it is a new year. It's 2022. That is just so crazy to me. And what's even more crazy is, you know, I don't know. So today is January the 3rd. I want this to be my first video on my channel for the new year because I want to do a lot of things differently this year. I want to be more myself, more, just more fun. I feel like I'm really reserved on this channel. I don't know why. Probably, I don't know. I feel like I get in my head and like because I know certain people watch me, like my family, my friends, like it just makes me want to post certain things and not be like super vulnerable or whatever the case may be. But I want to change that because I just feel like, what are we doing? New year, new me. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so on my channel, it's just gonna be a lot of me. I've been getting some questions about people that you don't see. Like, I just feel like if you don't see somebody, then I don't know, you don't see them. Like, this is my channel. So I really don't even know, like, why people ask, because this isn't like a couple's channel. This isn't, it's not that. It's just me. So that's what you're going to see on this channel. You're going to see me. You're going to see my family. My kid, because a lot of you guys don't even know that I have a kid. I have a kid. He's 12. I know, a whole 12-year-old. I feel like if I come on this channel and I just post, then I won't overthink it. Like, I don't know if it's just the Leo in me, but I get in my head a lot, and that makes me not want to post because I'll think about it like, I haven't posted a video, and then I'll overthink it, and then I'm just like stressing because I didn't post, so then I don't post. And that's just a terrible cycle to have. So I definitely want to be more consistent on this channel because I am very inconsistent, and it's terrible. And I know that, and I just really, like, guys, I swear it's a pattern of mine. I start a lot of things, don't finish, and I don't know why. So we're gonna do a lot of starting and finishing. This is me. We're single. It's 2022. We're just really gonna focus on ourselves and our happiness, and we're not gonna worry about what other people are thinking or saying. We're not living for anyone else. We're living for ourselves. We're living for ourselves. And I really just want to be selfish this year. I want to do things that I want to do. I want to talk about what I want to talk about without having the feeling of worrying about what somebody else is going to think or how someone else is going to feel. Because at the end of the day, like, holding in things that should have been said or should have been did or should have been done, should have done, it takes a lot of energy and it's draining. And I just want to live and be free. I want to live, I want to post, I want to be happy, and I want that to translate. I just feel like it's not translating. So that's what we're doing differently. We're just being ourselves. So yeah, I hope you guys stick around because I know you hear this all the time, but I'm not gonna say it. We're just gonna do. So yeah, expect more of me. I really just feel like I can't believe I'm in my 30s, and I don't know, like, this is just how I feel. I really should start like a relationship advice podcast because I feel like I've been through so many situations in my life that, relationship wise, that could probably really help someone. Not saying that mine was bad because it really wasn't terrible. I just feel like, people outgrow each other. People want different things, and that is okay. That is okay. That's okay. And, that's just what it is. So, yeah, if you guys had any questions, you can leave them down below, because we can do chit chats. You know, I can give advice from experience, or if I don't have experience, you know, I could just give advice, because, you know, let's turn up for 2022. And that's just it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Real quick, sweet, straight to the point, kind of. I beat around the bush a lot, but yeah. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.